Great, now we're going to do some practice. Question 1. I'm a student, it's a student, or they're a student? And the answer is, I'm a student. Question 2. We have a house. She's big, you're big, or it's big? Yes, it's big. Nice. So question 3. Quiet. Shh. He's sleeping, it's sleeping, or they're sleeping? And because it's more than one, it's they're sleeping. Uh-oh, they're not sleeping now. Question 4. You do this one. And yes, he's tired, and I'm sure we're tired too. Well done, everyone. And see you next time for Be Negative. But go to MGI Institute on Instagram and download the free worksheet or send us a message and we will get back to you. See you soon.